Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today it's my distinct pleasure, along with Casey here, to show you Eiler and Simple Protection. What I'm working with today is a freaking hidden jacket. Now, it is a little noticeable to him that these are obviously flexed up. I haven't been hitting the gym. I've got nice padded stuff under here. Got to keep it protected. Very unique thing you're going to see today with a 7.5-month-old dog. Not only is he able to grip this equipment, he grip it very well, but he's able to maintain composure and work his handler as well as the marker holds and outs very clean for his age. He's very, very obedient, very well as far as what he's thinking about. He's very smooth. So let's see what we got.
Yep.
Something else that you're going to see in this routine is that we have obvious bite apparatuses, sleeves, million little things that he could love to bite. Obviously, conveniently in front of him. Good.
Yes! Review!
Without question, he's looking at the man for the fight.
Yeah.
Nice. Good control. What you doing out there, girl?
Walking my dog. You got a problem?
I got some baby mama drama going on. I need some money.
Let's do that. Better go somewhere else.
Alright, I'm here. You need to send a dog in.
Yes! Review!
Come on.
Yeah, good boy! Yeah, come on. Get him.
Alright, multiple arms. Make sure the dog isn't just targeting the traditional left arm that he's been taught for grip training. Good. So good. A lot of power. Phenomenal amount of power. We've got a really good start on control as well. Out here.
Yep.
Good.
Oh, good boy.
Nice. Send him in.
Yes!
Hey! Ah!
Good,
That's,
Eiler.
ooh, think about it. Good.
Good boy. Yep.
Turn around. Down.
Down.
Okay, guys. Not perfect. What more could you ask for a 7.5-month-old male dog, Eiler? Thanks for watching.